In the vibrant tapestry of coral reefs lies an untold story of survival and symbiosis. Beneath the colorful facades of corals is a world rife with complex interactions, often unseen by the casual observer. For every vibrant fish gliding through the reef, a multitude of entities work tirelessly in the shadows. These are the parasites. Coexisting with corals, they play roles in a delicate balance, sustaining life in the ocean's most diverse habitats. Coral reefs flourish at remarkable depths, from sunlit shallows to darker waters, where pressure intensifies and light diminishes. This bustling environment houses thousands of species, each contributing to the ecosystem's intricate web of life. Corals, the foundational species, share homes with myriad organisms, from dazzling clownfish to elusive sea turtles. Yet, this stunning diversity faces immense threats from climate change, pollution, and destructive fishing practices. Among these threats are the very parasites many consider harmful. Organisms like the crown-of-thorns starfish and certain snails are often seen solely as destroyers of coral. Yet, they play complex roles in the health of reefs. While the crown-of-thorns can devastate coral when unchecked, they also regulate algae growth, preventing overwhelming blooms. This interplay shows that not all parasites are villains, some are vital for maintaining coral ecosystems. The relationships within the reef extend beyond corals. Parasitic worms and other species influence coral growth and disease resistance. Every organism, from the tiniest microorganism to the largest predator, is woven into the fabric of this vibrant ecosystem, revealing the true complexity of coral reefs. Understanding these relationships illuminates the broader marine environment. The impacts of hidden relationships ripple through the entire marine food web, affecting fish populations, sharks, and sea turtles. This interconnectedness emphasizes the importance of coral health, directly correlating with marine life sustainability. In conservation efforts, recognizing these parasitic connections compels us to reconsider our ecosystem views. What if the future of coral reefs depends not only on protecting corals but also understanding and preserving their enigmatic companions? By unraveling these secrets, we may discover that vilified organisms hold the key to coral survival amid environmental stressors. As we explore the intricate web of life within coral reefs, we encounter myriad parasitic relationships that challenge our perceptions. From microscopic protozoa to larger fish, these organisms occupy specialized niches, playing critical roles in maintaining equilibrium. Consider the tiny isopods. These crustaceans infiltrate fish bodies, particularly clownfish, where they feast on bodily fluids. Yet, this relationship serves a crucial function. Removing weaker fish from the population promotes genetic diversity. In the Caribbean, studies conducted as far back as the late 1990s demonstrated that clownfish health correlates with isopod presence. When isopods were removed, clownfish populations surged, leading to heightened competition for resources. This delicate balance underscores the importance of every player in the coral reef tapestry. Equally captivating are parasitic flatworms inhabiting coral polyps. These creatures manipulate their host, influencing corals' immune response, allowing them to thrive against predators and environmental stressors. Recent studies reveal that these flatworms create favorable environments for other microorganisms, enhancing the reef's overall health. A 2020 research paper highlighted how these flatworms increase coral resistance to bleaching events, essentially acting as a shield during periods of environmental stress. Their presence may seem nefarious, yet their influence is undeniably beneficial to the health of the coral reef. The evolutionary arms race between corals and parasites illustrates a profound truth: survival hinges on adaptation and co-evolution. As corals face mounting threats, these relationships may emerge as pivotal in the resilience of the reefs. Research published in the journal Marine Ecology in 2021 suggests that corals with higher parasitic infestations exhibit greater resilience to thermal stress, as parasites may trigger stress responses enhancing the coral's ability to endure rising temperatures. This unexpected resilience hints at a deeper complexity within the reef ecosystem, where even the smallest organisms wield significant influence over the survival of the larger entities. Beyond these microcosmic relationships, cleaner wrasse fish engage in cleaning, removing parasites from larger fish. These symbiotic relationships provide a steady food source while illustrating the fluid dynamics of interaction within coral ecosystems. When cleaner wrasse shift to parasitism, nipping at fins instead of cleaning, it disrupts the delicate balance of trust, influencing community dynamics. This shift can lead to increased stress in larger fish, affecting their health and behavior. Such changes send ripples through the ecosystem, influencing predator-prey relationships and competition for resources. Coral reefs also host a dazzling array of epiphytic organisms, some engaging in parasitism alongside mutualism. Certain algae attach to coral, siphoning nutrients while assisting in energy production through photosynthesis. This interplay emphasizes the multifaceted roles parasites fulfill in the reef ecosystem. For instance, the relationship between corals and zooxanthellae, the algae living within their tissues, showcases a vital partnership that allows corals to thrive in nutrient-poor waters. Though the algae benefit from the coral structure, they also provide essential energy, illuminating how complex interactions form the backbone of coral health. Recognizing the essential functions parasites serve in maintaining ecosystem health challenges conservation strategies. Protecting coral reefs may require safeguarding corals and their parasitic counterparts. As we come to understand these intricate relationships, the necessity for comprehensive conservation efforts becomes increasingly evident. Strategies that overlook the importance of these relationships risk failing to protect the delicate balance that sustains the vibrant life of coral reefs. As we gaze into the vibrant depths of the coral reefs, the threads binding these organisms become evident. Every coral polyp, fish, and parasite plays a role in a grand narrative of survival. Nature often defies simplistic definitions of good and bad. In this aquatic realm, life thrives through intricate relationships, where seemingly harmful connections contribute to ecosystem vitality. Understanding these relationships is imperative in the face of global threats. Coral reefs, the rainforests of the sea, are vital habitats for marine species and human livelihoods. With climate change, pollution, and overfishing threatening these ecosystems, recognizing the interconnectedness of life compels us to reconsider conservation approaches. The future of our oceans hinges on this newfound understanding. We must reframe our perspective to embrace the entirety of the ecosystem. The lessons from coral reefs extend beyond the ocean. Life is a fragile web, the health of one thread affects the whole. Just as parasites can alter host fate, our actions impact marine ecosystems' delicate balance. By fostering a deeper understanding of these relationships, we can cultivate stewardship, recognizing that protecting the ocean means preserving its intricate dance of life. The invisible threads, the unseen interactions, are as crucial as the colorful corals and vibrant fish. They are the very fabric of resilience that ensures the continued survival of these magnificent ecosystems. As guardians of this planet, we have a responsibility to advocate for our ocean's health. Every effort counts, from reducing plastic waste to supporting sustainable practices. We can protect coral reefs. The urgency is clear. We must act before vibrant colors fade into memory, leaving barren landscapes devoid of life. The statistics are stark. It is estimated that 50% of the world's coral reefs have already been lost, with predictions of further declines without immediate action. Together, we can change the narrative. As we explore the depths of our oceans, the mysteries of the deep beckon with an allure impossible to resist. The vastness holds countless undiscovered wonders, each with the potential to reshape our understanding of marine life. Every dive into unexplored depths is a venture into the unknown. It is a journey filled with revelation, where bioluminescent creatures illuminate darkness, beckoning us further. Coral reefs remind us that the ocean is not just a backdrop for life, it is a thriving entity, rich with stories waiting to be told. Let us be the explorers, advocates, and guardians of this magnificent blue frontier.